Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll share valuable insights on fixing the error message your purchase could not be completed. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. This issue might occur on your iTunes store or during payment, but worry not, as I'll guide you through the resolution steps. Firstly, if you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Now, let's jump into resolving this issue. The initial step involves signing out of your iTunes Store account and then signing back in. Navigate to your iTunes Store, sign out, sign back in, and then check if the problem persists. If the issue persists, the second method entails verifying your payment method. Access your device settings, tap on payment shipping and ensure that your payment method is valid. Recheck and update if necessary. Still facing the issue? It's time to review your account information. Go to Media and Purchases, tap on your account, then Country Region, follow the prompts to update your information, ensuring the accuracy of your details and payment method. If the problem persists despite these efforts, try restarting your device. Access your device settings, tap on General and shut down your device. Power it back on, enter your passcode and check if the issue has been resolved. If you're still encountering difficulties, it's advisable to reach out to iTunes support. Search for iTunes support contact on Google and initiate a conversation with their team. Explain your issue thoroughly, and they'll assist you in resolving it. Once your problem is resolved, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Your feedback helps others facing similar issues. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for your time, and if you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment. Your support is appreciated.